Desktops are still the computing choice for a large part of the world. And yet, even though the old trusty Ghar Ka computer has gone leaps and bounds in terms of the tech inside, whenever I say desktop, what comes to mind is an old metallic box with the same chassis and no character, right? Well, not anymore. Welcome to another ASUS Spotlight video. I'm Chetan and today we're going to be looking at the all-new ASUS V501 series desktops. The new Ghar Ka computer that's reimagined and designed to fit into any modern space, be it your home or your office. The ASUS V501 desktop comes with an all-new design, complete with curved edges and this brilliant looking wood grain texture, which makes it look like a minimal art piece in most setups. It remains a fairly compact PC. This chassis we have right here is 15 liters in volume, but you can also pick up the smaller 8.6 liter small form factor chassis, which looks just as good. Both chassis options are also lightweight and weigh under 6 kg. Let's talk about what's under the hood. The ASUS V501 series desktops come with internals designed like a laptop, which lets this machine be quite compact and use much less power than a traditional desktop. As an added benefit, this design also helps make this new cooling system possible, which blends a hidden air inlet, copper heat pipes and a large exhaust fan for top-notch cooling performance. Even at full load, this desktop is as quiet as a library with just 38 decibels of noise. You also get great performance and range on the V501 series. It comes with the Intel Core 7 240H processor, but you can also pick it up with the Intel Core 5 210H and the Intel Core 300U processor options. This is clubbed with 8GB DDR5 SODIMM RAM that can be expanded all the way up to 64GB. For those who want to use a hard disk drive or an HDD with this machine, there's also a built-in HDD kit that will allow you to add a 3.5-inch drive and increase your storage by up to another 2TB. And a kit to connect it is also included in the box. You also get all the ports that you would usually need. This includes an Ethernet port, HDMI port, a display port and the line-in line-out audio ports on the back, along with 4 USB 2.0 Type A ports and a Kensington lock. On the front, you get a 3.5mm combo audio jack along with a USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type C port and 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A ports. Powering all of this, you also get a 180W 80+ bronze-rated PSU. That's the all-new ASUS V501 series desktop. The all-round desktop that can do everything and look good while doing it. See you in the next one.